Good evening. My name is Megan Barlow, and I'm your student's Regents chemistry teacher. In this course, we will learn about general chemistry concepts, develop problem-solving skills, and develop experimental, practical, and theoretical scientific inquiry. Some objectives and learning outcomes are as follows. By the end of this course, your student should be able to use the knowledge they gain in this course to pose questions, seek answers, and develop solutions. They should also be able to use appropriate scientific patterns to share information, such as writing scientific reports or designing poster presentations. Your student should also be able to apply concepts, principles, and theories to real-world problems, which can be accomplished in this course during laboratory experiments. And your student should be able to demonstrate the relationships between science, mathematics, and technology. These three disciplines are incredibly intertwined, and it is important to recognize the relationships between them. This course also has a lab program where we do a lot of fun hands-on experiments, but we do need to keep in mind a few safety precautions, which I've decided to highlight. So students with long hair should tie their hair back in a ponytail or a bun on their lab days, and then they can take their hair back down after lab. Students who are wearing any hanging jewelry or neckties will be asked to remove them prior to going to lab, and they can put them back on after. Students should come in with closed-toed shoes on their lab days and pants if possible. So any students who own pants are encouraged to wear them on their lab days. There are some policies regarding cell phones and masks that I would like to highlight. So cell phones should be turned off and not taken out during class. Unless their teacher tells them otherwise. Sometimes we like to use them for in-class activities. Schoolwork should be completed on a Lord's Chromebook, which the students are all provided with. In the event of a snow day or a shutdown due to COVID-19, we will continue class either synchronously or asynchronously online. And students are expected to conduct themselves with the same level of professionalism that they would otherwise. Finally, masks are required to enter the building every morning, so if you are dropping a student off in the morning, please remind them to grab a mask on their way in. We require all students to enter with a mask. Masks are to be worn completely covering the nose and mouth at all times, unless otherwise instructed. So that being said, we do allow mask breaks throughout the day. Students will be permitted to pull their mask down for a quick breather. We just ask that students do not talk when they have their masks down. Homework is assigned irregularly in this class whenever extra practice is needed on the learning material. Students are generally given 2 to 4 days to complete assignments, and this deadline can also be extended if all students in general are having difficulty completing the assignment. So this being said, late work is generally not accepted. My contact information is as follows. My email is barlowm@ollchs.org. And my phone number is the school phone number extension 1171. I encourage you to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you throughout the school year, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your evening. Thank you.